See, today in EVS I am going to teach you about delicious food. We all have to live and grow means we should eat and drink. Yes or no? We have to eat and drink water like that. Delicious food means what? What all you like, what you'll tell mommy, today you prepare me this one and that one, each and everything you'll be telling. But you have to know that mother what she cooks you will have. But you have to know at the same time which is very important, which gives us the food items healthy, which keeps us healthy and strong, which helps us to grow. You are all small children now, no? You are all growing children. You should, what all you can have to grow, what all food items you have to eat to be strong and healthy and to grow energetically. That is, delicious food. What all you all like to eat, that is secondary. First, what you should eat. You should eat very good vegetables. All vegetables and leaves. What in Kannada will tell soppu, you know, that is leaves. Mommy will prepare leaves curry and all, no, that is leaves. That is vegetables like carrot, cauliflower, potato. You are all small children, you should have. Okay, see what all you should have: carrot, potato, cauliflower. You can have brinjal, many fruits, many vegetables like carrot, potato, cauliflower, brinjal, and you can have fruits like this is all vegetable, okay, what mommy will prepare and give. And fruits you can have like fruits. What all you will have in fruits? You should eat apple. What we tell for apple to eat? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. The doctor will not come near us if we have all healthy food. For apple, what will tell us? No, that is a proverb. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Like that, each and every healthy food, if you have, no doctor can come. We are not, will not fall sick. Okay? See children, apple, papaya, banana, kiwi. See, now which season children? Now it is summer season. In this summer season, we should have all water content fruits. Many, like watermelon. What will have? Watermelon and muskmelon. Watermelon and muskmelon. It all water content. Banana also. Banana, apple, papaya, kiwi, grapes. Grapes also you should eat. Many fruits you should have. Necessity, at least we can have this watermelon, muskmelon for the summer season, grapes, water content. Our will become full tired, full thirsty for this heat, excess of heat. So we should have, then keep our body cool. Okay children, then we will not suffer from chicken pox, etc., like many things. Because we should not leave our body to be excess heat also. We should take care of our health. Main, health is wealth. That is a proverb why they are given. If you are healthy, we can do anything. See, if you are not well, you will tell you will be absent to school. One day when you come, we will ask, why child, what happened? You will tell, ma'am, yesterday I had fever. Yesterday I had cold. Because you had infected water you had drank. You got cold due to air pollution. Yes? And when you take care of your health by having proper food in proper time, and after digesting you can go to bed, early to bed and early to rise. Yes, no, like that. Proper time you should have before like 7:30, 8:30, that is the last time to have dinner. you should have and go to bed. Early morning, what you should have? Milk. What you'll drink to be healthy? Morning itself you'll drink milk. You'll drink milk. What you'll drink? Milk. Like boost and all, no? Okay. And healthy breakfast. What breakfast you can have? Like idli, chapati, yes, dosa, puri. You can have your small child, no? You can have like chapati. Okay. You can have chapati, dosa, idli type. For that, very good vegetables curry mommy will prepare and give. Okay. You should not tell mommy I will not have that. Vegetables, all mixed vegetables like beans, carrot, potato, she will mix and she will using the peas that is called batani. Will tell no, greenish circle, round in shape. Mommy will prepare and give. You should not tell mommy I don't like that. Not like that. You should and must have. Then only your health will be good. So what all thing we can have? Vegetables like carrot, potato, cauliflower, brinjal. Okay. And still more, all like beans, peas, what I told like that is batani. Okay. In fruits, apple, papaya, banana, kiwi, watermelon, muskmelon, grapes and orange also. Okay, orange also water content you can have it. Okay children. And now you can have morning itself healthy. Morning you should be have very healthy as you are coming to school. You should have healthy food, healthy drink. Healthy food and healthy breakfast and healthy drink, that is milk. Healthy drink is milk, that is you can drink boost also, but directly milk is very good. And you can have very good breakfast like chapati, dosa, idli, puri, etc. Okay, like in millets, upma, like that you can have. You should have morning, now you'll become tired. When you come to school, when we tell, come on children, repeat the answers, come on read, you will be helpless. Overall not having, you will be tired. You'll tell ma'am, I can't, I'm very tired. Because you are not had proper breakfast, proper drink, that is like milk, okay? So you should have proper food, proper breakfast, lunch and dinner, and proper drink like milk, morning and evening children. It is very must and you have to drink a lot of water. Okay children, lot of water for this summer season. Not only summer, in all the season, we should have proper food and proper fruits we should eat and proper drink like milk. Okay. Now, I'll tell you about overall having non-veg also. You can, see many will have, many will not have. You can have egg also every day. Okay. Egg and fish, meat. Egg you can have every day. It will give you strength. See, our bones should be strengthly. Then only you will get muscles. Then you will be strong, that is. You will have the thinking mind. When our stomach is okay, not so full, at least little, you had very good breakfast and come. You can listen what ma'am is teaching and you can understand. When you are not had, you will feel tired. Then you can't learn. Then you will score less mark. That starts the problem from there. Okay, children? You need problem? Not what? We need all healthy children. Good children. Yes, you all are good children. Now, after this, vegetables, fruits and breakfast, you can have in your lunch or break that egg. And every day or weekly once you can have fish and meat. Every month or at least 1 month you can have. That is for having non-veg, okay? So, vegetarians who are all having can eat very good fruits and vegetables. It will help, okay? That is the main thing for everyone, not separate, that is non-veg is separate, but you can have fruit a day, at least any fruit. Than apple, you can have grapes, orange, banana also, okay? And you can have very good breakfast, lunch. For lunch, you can use leaves. Leaves and vegetables, if you eat, no, it will help you, it will give digestive. No digestive problem will be there. and it gives all support. The blood will be pure always. No impure blood will be there. All impure pure blood, and what all you are eating, healthy things, it will keep you healthy. No diseases will come near. Okay? Yes. And now, what all fruits and vegetables you like, and what all to eat? Okay. So now, to prepare chapati, from where mother is preparing chapati, she uses wheat powder. That is like atta. No, that is from wheat only we get that atta, that powder. So in that she is through the wheat only mummy is preparing the chapati and puri. And with what mother is preparing that milk to prepare the biscuits, they use milk, butter, ghee. Many you small children can have ghee. With chapati you can add ghee and you can eat. That is also very healthy. Okay. Your small children you can have. Your growing children like ghee you can have, and you can use butter also. And idli, with what mother is preparing idli? With the help of rice and uddi dal. Okay. And it helps you to keep healthy. Many things. With what a mother is preparing pongal and upma and all. Rava. Rava is also very important part of our health in food items. And in millets also. What we will tell, like sundal they'll tell, no? Like millets, what all they'll prepare and give mother. You should have, that is cereals. What we'll call as cereals. Nowadays, they are telling that malt powder you will get in shops also. Mother will prepare or she'll bring from market, and she'll prepare and give. All millets will be mixed and it is a powder. If you drink that also, it is very good healthy drink. Okay, if you have no time to have, or if you are not willing, if you drink at least that all cereals powder, that is malt, like that, if you drink all that cereals powder, that drink also, it is very healthy. Yes, children, and it will be very good. In morning, early morning, your stomach will be empty. After a good sleep, when you woke up, after brushing, you can do one small 2 exercises and you can have it. Okay, when you have that all cereals, that malt, what that powder is there, and then mother will prepare and give, adding milk, you can drink it. It is a very good healthy for morning. And lunch, afternoon, all vegetables what mama is preparing and giving, you should have. Like carrot, beans, brinjal, potato, you should have. Okay, children. And at the same time, you must and should have breakfast and come for morning, afternoon lunch, then evening little snacks, and night you can have dinner and go to bed earlier. That is also very important for healthy. Delicious food what you have, through that the digestion system also should be there, no? So you should go to bed early, like before 9 or 9:30, proper time. Then only that probe is you are following, like early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy. Yes, that rhymes, that poem also, it is in LKG. You can remember. Yes, that is, when we are healthy, we can run, we can play. When your friends are playing, when you can't, when you are tired, what you'll tell? No, I can't, I am very tired, I can't play. Because you have not had proper food. You have not taken proper food, healthy food in your body, to your body. Then starts many problems. That when you are not running, when you can't run, when you can't do any games you can't attend. So you also will feel bad. That is one irritation one side you will be getting. Why my friends are playing, why I can't? You have to try. From today, leave the past. From now, from today, now only you start to have very good, delicious, from starting like a drink, like milk, lunch, all types of vegetables, evening have, and afternoon also, very good fruits, like salad, all fruits you can mix and you can have. Like how do you like to eat? By adding honey also you can have. Okay? And night, early have your dinner and go to bed before like 9:30, and you will be the healthiest person. Okay, and you can achieve everything. When we are healthy, we can run, we can play, we can attend all the games, and we can attend all the classes, and we can score very good marks. So it is very important. It gives us the first, uh, what we tell, that is first step in our life. When we have delicious food only, we can achieve each and everything, like games, studies, education, everything. Okay, children? I think you had all very good important points today what I given. You can take it in your mind and please follow it for your healthy thing, for your life. I'm telling, please listen and you can follow